Alrighty, we are back on the Hilux with the dirty wheel speed sensor. As you can see, I've pulled her all out. First thing we notice, this fell off when I did everything, so that would probably be most of the issue, why there's stuff getting inside. Quite sludgy, pretty gross. And oh, well, hello. I have some loose metal in there. Better see what we can do about that. That's not good. Here's the rest. No, it's dirty, but there's no evidence of any shards of metal flying off or anything like that. Maybe that. No, just gunk. Alright, well, we'll clean her up, replace the bearing and the rest, and give it a good clean and take it from there.